In this video, you will learn how to trade gold on forex.com. Log on to forex.com account, visit the forex.com website or open their mobile app. Log in with your registered credentials. If you do not have an account, sign up and complete the registration process. Verify your trading account, upload a valid driving license or proof of ID or address to verify your account. Verification ensures compliance and secures your account for trading features. Fund your account. Deposits funds into your account using supported payment options. This could be bank transfers, credit cards or debit cards or e-wallet. Open your trading platform. Access the forex.com, web trader, Meta 4 or Meta 5 platforms to begin trading. Search for XAU/USD. In this market is a watch list, which represents the gold trade against the US dollar, and open its trading chart for analysis before you place a trade. Place your gold trade. Decide whether you want to buy or sell, the long or short based on your market analysis. Then, enter your trade amount, set stop losses and take profit levels, then confirm the order. Your open position will then appear in your trading dashboard. Now you know how to trade gold on forex.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.